This is my private jet. You're the ones who should fuck off.
Oh my God!
Your jet? Oh, sweetie, that's hilarious. I mean, look at your tacky clothes. How would you even be able to afford all this, huh?
Oh, Miranda. Just like college, always trying to steal from Jennifer. Now you're trying to steal her husband? Shameless. This jet was a gift for Jennifer.
Disgusting.
Andre's mine.
Jennifer, Andre Charles is your husband, right?
Yeah.
Call him then, or I won't believe it.
How dare you question me?
What? Afraid?
Come on, afraid. Me? Police. One call from me and things will get ugly real quick, okay?
Go ahead, please.
Babe, what's up? We're taking off in half an hour. I'm on my way.
Honey bear! I was bullied by this crazy woman. Well, this crazy lady and her kid came to my plane, okay? And they pretended like it's theirs. You have to teach them a lesson.
What? How dare she disrespect my babe? Put her on the phone.
It really is Andre's voice.
Ma'am, I don't care who you are, but please leave my plane immediately. Jennifer is my beloved, and this jet and special itinerary was prepared for her. If you refuse to leave, as the president and captain, I have the authority to remove you and take coercive measures against passengers interfering with this flight.
How ridiculous. Andre, I helped you get into Frank Group, put you on the board, and let you use this jet. I gave you everything, yet you used it to make your mistress happy.
See? If you don't fuck off right now, my husband will call the police.
Yeah, well, your husband is nothing. Yeah, well, your husband is nothing.
Honey, sweetie, did you just hear that? That woman called you nothing. You need to come and teach her a lesson.
Don't worry, honey. I'll be right there, okay? No, if she refuses to cooperate, give her one last chance, or I'll come and kick her ass out.
Get out of here, now. Mr. Charles wants to kick me out. I'll be waiting, Mr. Charles. Let's see if you still dare to do this to me.
Are you crazy? My husband is the president!
Great. Don't say I didn't give you a chance. On my way. Ground security, someone is disrupting flight F0018 and hurt my wife. I'm still on my way. Go help Jennifer and take out the scum now.
All right, Andre will be here soon, so you're not done.
You'd better get on your knees and start kissing Jennifer's shoes for forgiveness right now. Otherwise, once her husband gets here, it's over for you, bitch.
But I bet if you do it on all fours with your butt up in the air, our dear and kind Jennifer will make sure that you're not in prison for too long.
Move.
Oh.
You know what? No rush. Maybe when your husband, Andre Charles, gets here, you'll be the one apologizing to me.
Bitch! Did you just hit me? I'm gonna end you!
This is nothing compared to what's coming to you. I dare you to even lay a finger on my daughter again. Go on. Try it.
What are you two waiting for? I'm the future wife of the president! Go get her right now. Or do you want to go up against the friend group?
Get her!
Don't blame me.
No! Let go of her! No! Bella, don't! No! Bella!
Oh, you really are something, Miranda. It's so fun to finally have you in this position. Why were you the prom queen? Huh? Why was every boy after you like a fucking puppy? Why did you steal my spotlight?
So that's why you were making up rumors about me to everyone.
Oh, you don't know how much I love for you to be in this situation. Oh, and rumors? You had the nicest cars, the nicest food, the nicest everything. You want to tell me you did fucking sugar daddy? Oh. I hate your fucking face. So I'm...
Mommy, let go of my money!
gonna ruin it.
Download Nat Short to watch more episodes.